Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Suman. So today we'll be doing module 5 which talks about ad copywriting. So before I begin with today's class, let's just have a small recap on what we did in our previous class. So in module 4, we learned about blog writing and also we saw four major elements which were SEO content, creative writing, technical writing and thought leadership. I hope all the points were clear to you all and I also hope everyone have completed your activity that was given in module 4 because unless and until you complete those activities and practice, you'll not be able to relate to the subject and you'll not have a regular understanding about the topics that I'm talking about. So let's begin with today's class, which is module 5. Ad copywriting or persuasive writing is just a way to convince or make your audience believe in your idea or opinion of writing, which will force them or it will impact them to make an immediate action by purchasing your product, your service, or getting connected to your writing skills on your website or any social media. So this is mostly a sales driven writing and people take immediate actions after reading your blogs or seeing the way you write, or immediate action that they take to buy the product or service. Usually this is not in these paragraphs form. Usually it is very short, between 5 to 50 words are enough for you to influence others. A very useful skill in running paid campaigns. So persuasive writing plays an important role in paid campaigns as well. Lot of sales driven paid campaigns, it helps a lot. Let's see further. So and also I want to tell you that persuasive writing plays an important role in landing pages. Landing page is nothing but the entry page to your website. So that's where people come and buys the products and service. You make it more creative. And FB and Instagram ads is nothing but your Facebook and Instagram platforms where a lot of companies post their product advertisements and all that. Google ads, when you're trying to browse in the Google, you see regular pop-ups of different products. That's nothing but these persuasive ads. You'll see a lot of GoIBibo ads, lot of Make My Trips, Mintra ads and all that. These can be a good example for persuasive writing because that one single liners that they use to grab your attention, that plays an important role. And campaign taglines are nothing but these taglines or slogan that a brand uses to grab the attention of the people and create a greater impact, so that if people don't remember the brand, at least they'll be able to relate towards the brand with the help of these slogans. For example, it's Apple which has a slogan think different, and Coca-Cola which is share a Coke, and Kit Kat it is have a break, have a Kit Kat. So such slogans create a different impact in the minds of people. People try to understand the brand's perspective, mission or vision with the help of these slogans. So it plays a definitely a greater impact. Campaign taglines which I told you about, and a few examples like now or never, grab it now, 30 minutes or free, or order now. You must have come across a lot of these lines in your regular purchase or your regular interactions in your social media or different platforms. And copywriting it in the subject itself is a very vast understanding in because it's just not about writing, it's also about different mindset. There are a lot of psychology factor that's involved because you're trying to put yourself in the shoes of audience and understand what will they like example, colors do play an important role. Like every colors has its own significance. Like color green gets a lot of vibrance, color white gets lot of purity, lot of good significance. Like, and color red is known for alert. So different colors have a different significance. And a lot of social medias and in advertisement we use the color yellow and black combination of both, because that actually grabs the attention of people a lot. That's majorly used. And also if you have seen lot of traffic signals and all that, you have lot of a zebra crossing which has yellow and black color combination, so that actually grabs your attention. So that's the reason colors do play an important role. CTA, call to action, also has a major impact, and lot of offers. If you see a lot of product and services that is sold, has a great way of pricing strategies. Let me give you example of few. When a product is sold at 100 per piece or something like such, you'd be somewhere thinking of buying that product, but you'll not be completely convinced with the same. But if the same product is sold at 99, which is just hardly a rupee difference, but still it actually gets your attention and you tend to buy that product. That's the difference a marketing strategy leads and content writing leads to. So it's a very creative approach that they use in offers, colors, so that it can actually create a greater impact or create a great influence in the minds of people. And there are much more things, such as, let me give you example of these font size that you use, how, what should be the size of each letters, what letters should be highlighted. These all play an important role in your copywritings. And let's go further. So now we're coming towards the end of our module 5, and I have few activities for you. Please do complete these activities and at least spend 4 hours. Try creating a landing page if you have your own website. So if you've got your own website, there's no harm practicing or trying creative way of making a landing page. Or if you don't have a website, don't worry, you can also use MailChimp to try the same, and create a 800 by 800 dimension ad copies using Canva for digital marketing services. So Canva is an amazing tool for designing your logos, designing your websites, designing your you can use lot of tools in that, lot of designs in which you can make your cards, your you can make your resumes, and a lot of designs that you can create that you can use on your website. So make sure you use this to create a ad copy, how creative your ad copy should look. For example, you can make for digital marketing service. If you don't want to do for digital marketing services, you can have your own choice of business that you can work with, and create 5 dummy Google search ads. So at least create 5 dummy Google search ads, which should have a headline of 90 characters. Try to come up with lot of creative letters or these sentences which will actually grab the attention of people. People will be really excited to see the headlines and buy your product or purchase your services. Description should be 180 characters. Along with the title, there should also be a description along with the headlines. For any businesses of your choice, I won't actually limit you to just digital marketing services. You can choose any business of your choice. Let me tell you, the more you think, the more creative you become. So make sure you do that. And if not 3 tasks, at least I expect you guys to do two tasks at a time. Make sure you do at least these 2 tasks until we reach our next module. Thank you so much for listening to me. You guys have been wonderful here, and thank you so much for your cooperation. I'll see you in the next class. Stay blessed and have a nice day.